Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Baloch Scholar. So now I am starting the question number 7 of exercise 1.2. Okay, simplify the following. I am supposed to simplify these. Okay, the first question is 32 power minus 2 or 5. Okay, see here, I already told you if the power is in minus, so I need to change it in positive. Okay, plus sign. Okay, for changing it in, can say, plus sign, I'm supposed to make it its reverse. For example, here it is not fraction, so I will bring 1 over 32. 1 over 32 or 2 over 5. The power will be positive. 2 over 5. Further, for simplifying it, I need to, can say, find the prime factors of 32. For example, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Okay, 2 multiply 2 4, 4 multiply 2 8, 8 multiply 2 16, 16 multiply 2 32. This means 2 over 5, 2 power 5. It is the exponential form. Okay, so these are the prime factors of 32. Okay, so I simplified it. This will be simplified further. 1 over 2, can say, power 5, can say 2 over 5. So this 5 will be cancelled with this 5. So what will remain? 1 over 2 power 2. 2 multiply 2 is equal to, can say, 1 over 4. So this is my answer. So now let's come towards the question number 2. Question number 2 is, can say, 125 over 64 bracket power minus 1 over 3. Okay, here also the sign is, can say, in minus. So first of all, I am supposed to change the sign into plus. Okay, for that it is the term is in fraction. Okay, for that I am supposed to reverse it. Okay, for changing the sign. For example, how do I take the reciprocal of the fraction? Okay, 64 over 125. 64 over 125. So sign is changed 1 over 3. So further, as you know, these 64 and 125 are, you can say, perfect cube. Okay, perfect cube root. For example, 4 cube and over 5 cube. These are perfect cube. Or for example, 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply is equal to 4 multiply 4 16, 16 multiply 4, this will be 64. This will be 64. It will be 64. So I will make it 4 power, can say, 3 or 4 cube. If I go for the 125, this will be 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 5 multiply 5, 25. 25 multiply 5 is equal to 125. Or is equal to, you can say, 5 cube. This is simplified. Okay, I simplified it. This will be 1 over 3. So 4 cube over 5 cube, you can make it likewise, can say, bracket power cube. Means this is on both. This cube is on both. It is simplified 1 over 3. These both will be cut. So 4 over 5 is my answer. Okay, this is my answer. So third one is bracket 100 u square minus 3 over 2. So my power is in minus, so I need to change the sign and make it positive. Okay, so for making it positive, so I will bring this term in is denominator. For that I will make it 1 over 100 u square over 3 over 2. So I brought this term as denominator. Now the sign is changed. Okay, now the sign is changed. So further I will simplify this one, this term. So 1 over 10 square, 1 over 10 square u square bracket. So as you know, 100 is the perfect square number of 10. Okay, 10 multiplied 10, 100. Okay, over 3 over 2. Say 10 square u square. Okay, you will make it likewise, again simplify it. For example, 10 u square mean this square is on both, multiply 3 over 2. So this will be 2 will be cut with 2. What will remain? 1 over 10 u power will be in cube. Okay, so you will make it 1 over, will again simplify this one. Can say this power is on both. Okay, means it is on, can say 10 cube also, u cube also. So 10 cube will be 1000 and u cube will be u cube. Okay, so this is my answer. So the fourth one is 16 power 1 over 4. Okay, here my power is in minus, so first of all I will change it into positive. Okay, for that I will bring 1 over 16 bracket power 1 over 4. So see here, sign is changed in positive. Okay, now as you know that 16 is also a perfect square, can say it is a perfect square, but you are supposed to change it into index notation, or you can say you can also take the LCM of it or take the prime factors of these. Okay, for example you can say 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is equal to 2 power 4. 2 multiply 2 will be, you can say 4. 4 multiply 2, 8. 8 multiply 2, 16. Here it is proved that 16 is also perfect square. Okay, here I will bring, you can say here it is an index and it is an exponential form. Okay, 1 over 2 power 4, 1 power 4. So this is there. Okay, further I will simplify it again. 2 bracket power 4 multiply 1 over 4. So this 4 will be cut with this one. So what remains? 1 over 2. So this is my answer. 1 over 2 is my answer. Okay, I simplified this question. Okay, come to question number 5. Question number 5 is x minus square 4y over 1 over 3. Okay, multiply x power 4 y minus 3. Okay, this is minus 3. Okay, first of all I will multiply this power with the, you can say numbers inside, you can say with the bases. Okay, with this term. For example, x minus 2, can say minus 2 multiply by 1 over 3, can say further y over 4 multiply by 1 over 3. So this is here multiply, it will be written as same, x power 4 y minus 3 bracket. Further I will simplify it. Minus 2 multiply 1 will be x, you can say minus 2 over 3. So they are not cutting, we will just multiply it. Y, you can say 4 multiply 1 into 4 over 3. So multiply, it will be written same, x power 4 y power minus 3. See here, if the bases are same here, so we will do what? So if bases are same, so we will can say add the powers. For example, x minus 2 over 3 plus 4, this will be y 4 over 3, can say minus 3. Further, we will see the sign. If the sign is in positive, so we will take the LCM. Suppose there is 1 here, okay, 4 over 1. See here, x, we will take the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 1 will be 3, okay. This will be 3, okay. 1 times 2 is 2, this will be minus 2, and this will be 3 multiply 4 will be, this will be 12, okay, this will be plus 3. So the next side y, here also I will take the LCM, it will be 1, okay, 3 and 1, the LCM is 3. You can say 1 times 4, 3 multiply 3 is 9, okay. Further we will simplify it. X, can say 2 minus 12, this 10 will remain, 10 over power 3, can say x power 10 over 3. So y, can say this will be 9 minus 4, what will remain? 9 minus 4 will, what will remain? 5, okay, 5 over 3, so minus 5 over 3. See here, if the power is in minus, so we that will be equal to 1 over, okay. So we will change it into this shape, x power 10 over 3 over y, this will be y 5 over 3. So this is my answer. See here, this is my answer. So it is simplified. So question number 6 is, see here, it is a huge number 625 e minus 4 power f power 8, can say bracket 1 over 4, okay, 1 over 4. First of all, I am supposed to multiply the number inside with this power. For example, 625, can say bracket 1 over 4, can say e bracket, can say minus 4 1 over 4, so will be 1 over 4. So it will be cancelled with this one, so what will remain? Just minus 1 will remain. So further, if this will be, can say multiply, this will be f 8 over 4, okay, this will be 8 over 4. Further, this is a huge number 625, so in exponential form, so we will make it likewise, okay. 5 multiply 5 multiply, can say 5 multiply 5, it will be 625, okay. So in exponential form, it will be pi over 4. So for simplifying it, we will put this one, okay, 5 over 4 1 over 4 e minus 1, here both 4 were cut, e minus 1, can say. So this will be f square, because for 1 time 8 2 times, this will be, okay. Further, I will cut this thing, this one, you can say 5 4 1 over 4, these both will be cut, these both will be cut, same e minus 1 f square. So what will remain? 5 e minus 1, so this will be f square. So here power is in minus, I need to change it into positive, okay. How I will change it? 5 f square over e. So here power is in positive. Okay, it is simplified. Question number 7 is x 1 over 10 divided by c minus 1 over 5 multiply c minus 3 over 2. So here I am supposed to simplify it. Okay, here it is sign of divide is there, so I will make it likewise. X 1 over 10 can say divide by, this is getting divided with this one, c minus 1 over 5 can say c minus 1 over 5. So here it is getting multiplied, so but the sign is in minus. For changing the sign, so I am supposed to bring it downside. Okay, I am supposed to bring it downside. Multiply c can say power 3 over 2. See here the sign is changed. Okay, I brought it as denominator. For changing the sign I need to bring it downside. Okay, it is denominator. So here I told you if the bases are same and they are getting multiplied, so the powers will be added. You see here x 1 over 10 over c minus 1 over 5 plus 3 over 2. Okay, here positive sign is there, so I will take the LCM of them. Okay, 5 and 2, 5 and 2. Okay, this will be 5 one time, 2, this will be 2, 1, 1. 5 multiplied 2, this will be 10. So here what will be the LCM? 10 will be the LCM. Okay, so further the LCM is 10, so C can say 10. You can say 1 multiply 2, we will do cross multiply here. 1 multiply 2 will be minus 2. Here you can say 5 multiply 3 will be 15. Okay, plus 15 plus minus minus, this will be 13 and this will be 13. So my answer is, see here, x over 10, it was x over 1 over x 1 over 10, it is equal to x power 10 over, so will be c. Here I am changing the sign, you can say c 13 over 10. Okay, this is my answer. Okay, hence it is simplified. So another question is, under root x power a over y power b multiply under root y power b over z power c multiply z power c over x power a. So I am supposed to multiply these are according to law of indices. I need to bring them in. We will bring it in 1 under root. Okay, we will multiply these terms and bring it in 1 under root. Okay, according to law of indices. For example, under root can say x power a, here x power a, can say multiply y power b over y power b apply, can say z power c over z power c. Sorry, as I told you before, if the bases are same we will plus it, then these will be cancelled with each other. So what will remain? Under root 1. So under root 1 is a perfect square, so it will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. You can say it is equal to, it is a perfect square. Okay, so what will remain? 1 will remain, so 1 is the answer. Towards the exercise 1.2 question number 8. Okay, show that the first question is, can say 4 under root a3 over b3 multiply 4 under root b3 over c3 multiply 4 under root c3 over a3 is equal to 1. So we are supposed to take the common of the under root and the exponent. Okay, for a3 over b3 multiply B3 over C3 multiply C3 over A3, okay, is equal to 1. So this A3 will be cancelled with this A3, C3 will be cancelled with C3, B3 will be cancelled with B3. So what will remain? 1. So under root 1 exponent 4, okay. It does not matter what is there in exponent, whether that is 10 or 100, but it will be equal to 1, okay. If inside under root 1 is there, so this means it is equal to 1. Let's come towards the number 2 of question number 8. Okay, 27 power 1 over 2 multiply 125 power 1 over 3 over 625 power minus 1 over 4 multiply 243 1 over 2 is equal to 25 over 3. So as you know, 27 is the perfect cube of 3, okay, 3 over 3, okay, 3 over 3. So see here, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 is equal to 27. So in a exponential form it will be written likewise, okay. 3 multiply 3 9, 9 multiply 3 27. So 1 over 2 multiply 125 is the perfect cube of, can say 5, okay, 5 cube, okay. This will be 5 cube 1 over 3 over 625. As I told you, in exponential form it will be written likewise, 5 over 4. For example, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 is equal to 625. 5 multiply 5 25, 25 multiply 5 125, 125 multiply 5 will be 625. So I will write here 5 bracket 4 over minus 1 over 4, okay, multiply. So 243 in exponential form I will write 3 over 5. So it will be 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So this will be 243, okay. 3 over 5 1 over 2, okay, 1 over 2 is equal to 25 over 3. So this is the right hand side, so we are supposed to prove the left hand side, okay. Here, okay, powers are getting multiplied. 3 over 2, can say multiply, these both will be cut, 3 and 3 will be cut, it will be just 5. So over this 4 will be cut, 5 minus 1 multiply 3 power 5 over 2. So this will remain. Here minus sign is there, so for changing it into positive, so we will shift its place. 5 multiply 5 over, so we are changing its place, so it will change its sign. For example, 3 bracket minus 3 over 2 multiply 3 bracket 5 over 2, okay, this will be 5 over 2. So 5 multiply 5 25. So here bases are same, we will just put 1 3, bases are same and getting multiplied, so we will add them. 3 minus 3 over 2 plus 5 over 2, okay, these will be minus 3, can say 5 minus 3 will be 2, okay. So it will be 25 over 3 power 2 over 2. So these will be cut, so what will remain? 25 over 3. Hence it is proved 25 over 3, okay. Right hand side, left hand side are both simplified and same, okay.